Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1964 Corvair Monza Coupe. Pretty cool. Man, dude, I love the white, the black, and the knockoffs. Those are true spokes too. Very cool. Nicely done too. You restored it?
Thank you very much. Restored it from the bottom up.
Wow.
This has got the front ends rebuilt, rear ends rebuilt.
Yep.
The whole car has been all done over from the bottom up.
How many miles on the restoration?
Again, probably 20, 25 miles
25. Wow. Nothing.
since I got done fixing it up.
Beautiful chrome, paint, stainless. Interior's done. Tires, wheels, all new. So this has a 110 motor in it, right?
Yes, sir.
There's a horizontally opposed 6, like a Boxster.
Just like the
Like airplane.
plane in my head. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cessna.
Or a Volkswagen. Just a
Yep,
4, but
same thing.
same
Air
concept.
cooled.
Air-cooled. Cool, man. Such a unique style.
She's a beauty.
Yeah. Man, you know everything about Corvairs,
I
huh?
love this car. I know every. You could show me any nut and bolt.
Oh, you know where it goes, right? It's a passion, though. Really cool. You got that 64 Spider turbo in there. It's pretty cool. I like how they're a little oversized, you know?
They are. Actually the wheels are wider than a stock wheel. These are this whole wheel thing was modified for this.
Oh, wow.
Just for the wheels and the tires.
Oh, we had to change the whole hub and all that.
Yeah.
Just to get the knockoff on there. Cool. Beautiful interior with the buckets. New carpet, seat covers, seat belts all the way around. Oh, fold down seat too. Huh? Oh, sweet. What are those, 8-inch subs?
Yeah.
Very cool. Wow, stereo must rock.
Yeah.
New headliner.
We won't do that today.
Cool. Do all the rear seats fold down like that?
Yeah.
And this one's showing 91,264 miles. With 30 miles on the restoration. New dash. Killer. Stereo hidden somewhere?
Come on. Flip open. Usually when I just push it, it pops open.
Yeah, of course.
You might know it. There you go.
Oh. Very cool. I like how it's hidden like that. Hey Rick, can you fire it up? She is. 110. Yeah, it sounds nice. This one's very original. Got a generator on it too. This one sounds nice. Automatic too, right? It's got a power glide. very nicely done. Jeez, new, huh? Manual steering, manual brakes. Nicely done. That's the rotisserie up top right there?
No,
Oh, that's
it's
a
on
solar panel.
the other end. It's in pieces right now.
Wow. He knows everything there is to know about Corvairs. Here's his parts car. It's also in the club and all that too. Very cool.
That one's got air conditioning.
Wow, that's rare, huh?
It's got all sorts of neat. It's got an automatic roof, a power roof.
Power roof too.
Yeah, I went all the way to Detroit to get that.
Jeez. Cool color too. It's like a burnished.
Yeah, but the body's all rusted out, so that's going to the
That's
dump
the problem
after
with all
I
of them.
strip it. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, maybe
Once I
someone
strip
might
it
be
down.
interested in it for parts. You never know. Can we go for a quick ride?
Sure.
This one's for sale too. It's a manual trans on this one, and this one's converted to 12 volts. So it runs on an alternator. Roll down your window. Feel that way. Oh, windows roll down. Beautiful.
Cool.
Love the selector switch for the automatic. It's so cool.
Power glide, they call it.
Yeah, I love it. 2 speeds.
It's just. Stereo. Leave me alone. Too loud. It gets the booming. It gets
cool,
the
though.
booming.
Very nice.
Fun going around town with all the Beach Boys songs
Yeah,
on.
so
you know,
cool. It drives so smooth. This is the first time I've ever been in one of these.
This one's totally rebuilt. Front end, rear end, everything.
Yeah.
All new bushings, bearings.
So I guess if you with the turbo one with 180 horsepower, that thing must move.
I don't know yet. I've never driven one.
Wow.
The turbo.
People just drove the balls off these things. That's great.
You drive the Tesla.
Hey guys, well thanks for joining us today, Rick. Thanks for showing me around, man. Nice collection.
Nice having you.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. Guys, give me a shout, 631-339-0399. Took tons of photos of this car today. Check out the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.